Hi, welcome to Literature Litwit channel. We're going to discuss an interesting play, Love's Labour's Lost by Shakespeare. Watch the video till the end. Make sure to subscribe this channel, hit the bell so that you can never miss my videos. Let's go to the play. Here are the characters. Ferdinand, King of Navarre. You should pronounce like this, Navarre. Bironne, Longueville, Dumain. They are three lords. Lords means a man of noble rank. Next, Princess of France, Rosaline, Maria, Catherine. They are three ladies attending the princess. Boyet, attender of princess. Don Armado, a fantastical Spaniard. Moth, Don Armado's page. Custard, a clown or a fool. Jaganita, country wench. Wench means prostitute. Sir Nathaniel and Holofernes. Sir Nathaniel is a member of a clergy and Holofernes schoolmaster. Dull, a constable. Mercade, another lord attending on the princess. Act 1. In the first scene, the King of Navarre and his three lords, three friends, discuss about founding an academy. They have planned to found an academy. For doing so, they have taken an oath. The oath's requirements are fasting, little sleep, and avoiding contact with the woman for 3 years. So the king asked his three friends to sign their names to the oath. Longueville and Dumain agreed to sign, but Bironne, he doesn't like this oath. He calls the requirements of the oath, like barren tasks, too hard to keep. He argues this point with the king, but finally he agrees to sign. After some time, they receive a letter from Don Armado, a Spaniard, to the king's court. Spaniard means a native of Spain, telling him that he has caught Costard, a fool, and Jacquenita, a country wench. They both mingle in the park, so that the king announces the punishment. Then they go off to begin their oath. Don Armado confesses to Moth, his page. Page means attender, that he has fallen in love with Jacquenita. So he writes a letter for her and asks Costard to deliver the letter. Meanwhile, the Princess of France has arrived to visit the king. Because of his oath, he and his lords visit them at their camp, which is outside the castle. At first sight, the king falls in love with the princess. The three friends, they also fall in love with the three ladies as king does. So now they have divided into pairs. The pairs are the king and the princess, Bironne and Rosaline, Longueville and Maria, Dumain and Catherine. Act 3. Bironne gives Costard a letter to deliver to Rosaline, but Costard accidentally switches it with the letter from Don Armado to Jacquenita. When he gives Bironne's letter to Jacquenita, she brings it to the learned Holofernes and Sir Nathaniel to read for her. They tell her that the letter was meant for someone else and to deliver it to the king. Act 4. Bironne watches the king from a hiding spot as he reads about his love for the princess. And another friend, Longueville, enters and the king hides as well. The king and Bironne observe Longueville reading of his love for Maria. At the time, Dumain enters. Longueville hides and all the three see Dumain reading on what he has written to Catherine. Longueville advances and scolds the two men for breaking their oath. Bironne comes and reveals that the king is in love as well. At that time, Jacquenita arrives and gives Bironne the letter which was written for Rosaline. Dumain picks up a piece of a letter with Bironne's name on it, and Bironne confesses that he is in love as well. The four men decide to court their women. Court means be involved with the intention of marrying. In In the hiding scene of fourth act, Shakespeare used the aside, which is common in Shakespearean drama. Aside means the speech of a speaker heard only by the audience, not by the other characters. Act 5. In the Act 5, we can say the play within a play. It is very important. Don Armado, Nathaniel and Holofernes performed a masque called Nine Worthies. In this play, Holofernes played 3 of the roles by himself. This kind of play within a play we can also see in Hamlet and Midsummer Night's Dream. This question can be asked in NET/SET exams and also TRB Polytechnic exams, so please keep in your mind. The 3 women discuss their lovers' gifts. King has sent a jewel to the princess. Bironne has given a letter with a picture of Rosalind. Longueville has given a letter and a pair of gloves. Germain has given a letter and some pearls to Catherine. They all watch a show of the Nine Worthies. The Mercader, the messenger of the princess, arrives to tell the princess that her father has died, and she prepares to return to France. The women tell their suitors to wait for a year. So the play ends with their departure. Another one important info. The longest English word is used by Shakespeare in this play. The word is honorificability. Sorry, I couldn't. You try if you can. Do you know Shakespeare has introduced 1,700 words to the English language? Let me read some important quotes. Your wits too hot. Your wits too hot. It speeds too fast. 'Twill tire. Bironne, Act 2, Scene 1. They have been at a great feast of languages and stolen the scraps. 4th, Act 5, Scene 1. Beauty is bought by judgment of the eye, not uttered by base sale of chapman's tongues. Princess of France, Act 2, Scene 1. Let's see some MCQs. At the beginning of the play, the King of Navarre and his lords make an oath that they will devote themselves to what? The absence are fighting, scholarship, women. The answer is scholarship. Don Armado confesses to his page that he has fallen in love with whom? The absents are Jacquenita, Costard, Princess of France. The answer is Jacquenita. When the Princess of France visits with her ladies, what happens to the King of Navarre and his lords? The absents are a war begins, they hide in church, they fall in love. The answer is they fall in love. After the men admit to each other that they have fallen in love with the woman, what do they decide to do? The absents are demand the woman leave, stage a battle, court the woman. The answer is court the woman. The play ends with which of the following events? The absents are the couples marry, the princess dies, the woman leave for France. The answer is the woman leave for France. As a scholar, the king has sworn that he will avoid which of the following? The absents are earthly pleasure, alcohol, friendship. The answer is earthly pleasure. Who plays the role of the fool in this Shakespearean play? The absents are Jacquenita, Costard, Dull. The answer is Costard. Both Sir Nathaniel and Holofernes offer their learned and direct commentary on which of the following? The absents are broken oaths, love potions, letters. The answer is letters. On behalf of Don Armado, Costard will deliver a letter to whom? The absents are Princess, King, Jacquenita. The answer is Jacquenita. What roles does Holofernes say he will take in the show? The absents are he will direct, he will play the 3 roles, he will be fool. The answer is he will play 3 roles. Thank you for watching.